This is an unboxing video of Sandbaggy's 4 feet wide by 225 feet long jute roll. Now, you'll receive the jute roll in this box. It's a large box and it'll fit the jute roll inside. So this roll here is our standard 4 feet wide by 225 feet long roll. So when you unroll this all out, it's gonna cover, so when you unroll the whole roll out, spreading it all out, this will come out to be 225 feet long, covering a total area of 900 square feet. So how does a jute netting work? So what this is, jute netting, this material here is made out of jute, and this is a protective layer that needs to be used when you have a bare slope. So when you've got a bare slope, this jute netting acts as this protective layer. So when the rain drops onto the bare slope, instead of hitting that bare slope first, it hits this first. And this then protects the slope from creating rills and gullies that come down from the slope. So this is a great device when you need a 100% biodegradable solution for your slope. So this is made out of jute and there's no synthetic materials. It's not like a plastic netting. So you just leave it on the slope and within a couple years it will all biodegrade. Now, so how do you install this? We recommend using Sandbaggy's square top 6-inch landscape staples. So the benefit with these are they're 6 inches long, they're super sharp, 11 gauge, made out of low carbon steel. And all you gotta do is every couple of feet you just install a staple into the ground with a hammer. And then you're set to go to keep the jute mesh in place. And this is a little bit about Sandbaggy's jute netting.